In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a HubSpot pipeline for customer onboarding. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open HubSpot. Make sure you're logged into your account because that's crucial for accessing all the features you need. Once you're in, the next step is to navigate to the trial guide. This is an essential area as it provides abundant resources that will help you kick off the form building process. If you're new to this, the trial guide is a fantastic place to start. It offers a wealth of helpful information and tools that will guide you through the early stages, making the process much smoother and more intuitive. After you've familiarized yourself with the trial guide, head over to your homepage. Now, let's move over to the CRM section, which is the heart of your HubSpot operations. This section is where you manage all your customer relationships, and it's where the functionality we need today is located. Next up, click on Tickets. This might seem like an unusual place to start, but trust me, it will all make sense shortly. Within the Tickets section, you'll find a drop-down menu labeled Support Pipelines. Click on this and it will give you access to the configuration settings we need to customize. From here, go ahead and click Edit Pipeline. You'll now be able to tweak the existing pipeline to better suit your customer onboarding process. It's all about tailoring the stages to align perfectly with the journey your customers will go through. Now, let's get hands-on with the actual setup. In the Status Name section, type in Ready for Onboarding. This will mark the initial status for new customers who are about to begin the onboarding journey. It's important to have clear, defined stages so everyone involved knows exactly where the customer is at any given time. Following that, click on the next stage and type in Kickoff. This is where the onboarding process officially begins. It's an exciting moment as everything is set in motion and you're starting to work closely with your new customer. Next, enter Account Setup. At this stage, you'll be handling all necessary configurations for each account, ensuring they are tailored to meet the individual needs of your customer. Then, move on to the stage labeled Training. Here, your customer will receive the proper training needed to make the most of the service or product you're offering. As we progress closer to the end of the process, enter Launch. This marks the point where everything comes together and the customer's account or project is live and ready to operate independently. To wrap things up, click on Add Status and type in Onboarding Complete. This is a great milestone for you and your customer, signifying that the onboarding process has been executed successfully. Additionally, it's wise to add Onboarding Failed as another status to allow your team to identify any accounts needing attention or improvement. Finally, after you've set up all these statuses, don't forget to click Save. This simple action ensures all your hard work is recorded, setting you up for smoother operations down the line. And there you have it, a fully customized HubSpot pipeline designed specifically for customer onboarding.